Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. Are there days that you just feel down, you're filled with fear, you're depressed, and you just can't get rid of it? Days or maybe weeks, sometimes even months. Well, then this video is for you. It's how to make every moment happy. And I'm going to explain how to do it and then give you 3 really practical exercises that you can start doing today. Now, my channel is here to help you live a happy life and to help you manifest the life that you want and that you deserve. So if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I'm really grateful for all my subscribers and for anybody that is watching this video. But let's go ahead and get started. So this video is on how to make every moment happy. What I want you to do is make friends with the present moment. Know that it's perfect, the present moment. Now, I'm not saying you're not going to have struggles in your life. We all do. And if you haven't yet, you're really, really lucky. But we have struggles. But we have a choice. With every struggle, we can resist it, or we can flow with it and stay in the present moment. Usually when we have fear, anger, some of these more negative emotions, is because we're living either in the past or we're living in the future. The present moment is tolerable, but our mind just, it goes all over the place and imagining all these other scenarios instead of staying present in the moment and grounded. When we are grounded in the present moment, we can be peaceful, we can be calm, we could feel our inner self, and we could be surrounded with love, our own love. But you have to be aware of it and then do some practical exercises, which is what this video is about. And it's about, again, being grounded in the present moment in a calm state. And that is how to make every moment happy. You make friends with the present moment. But how? Well, I'm going to go over 3 ways. The first is grounding yourself. By grounding yourself, your mind will not wander as much. And so we're going to do this exercise now. I prefer you to do it barefoot, no socks, no shoes, no nothing. And I want you to stand up, take a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now kind of center yourself, feel your inner self. Just pause and feel your inner self. That calm, that peace. Now while you're standing up barefoot, I want you to put your feet about shoulder width apart. Kind of wiggle your toes and put those feet firmly on the ground. Now I want you to pretend your body is a tree. And out of your feet are the roots of the tree that are sinking into the ground. Further, further, and further. And you're rooted, you're grounded in this moment, in the earth. Keep your spine erect and just imagine those roots growing and growing and growing to the center of the earth. And know that this moment is okay. You're supported, you're present, and you're calm. Okay, when you're ready, open up your eyes. And a grounding is really, really good to do, especially when your mind is wandering all over the place. Maybe you have a project to do, some schoolwork, and you just can't concentrate. Ground yourself. It's great to do every morning, because then you'll stay centered, you'll stay present. So that's the first exercise. The second, I'm going to walk you through it, but it requires kind of being outdoors, so you'll have to maybe do it another time. But again, I want you to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And get in touch with that inner calm self that you have. It's there. You can access it. Then I want you to walk outside and just look at what's around you without judgment without labels, not, oh, that's beautiful, that's not. Just look with awe, without any labels. I want you to feel the breeze or feel the warm sun on your skin. And what are the smells that are around? Are there any flowers, trees, any animals? How about the sky? Is it blue? Are there clouds? Or is it cloudy? Maybe if you're lucky, you'll even see a rainbow. And just be and know that you're present and this moment is perfect, just as it is. Perfect. You're in nature and you're alone. And spend about 5 minutes. And I guarantee you, when you go back inside, your world will look just a little bit brighter and you'll feel a little bit better and happier. Now, I suggested going outside. Another way to do this, the second one, is watch a sunset or a sunrise. Again, without any labels, notice the colors in the sky, the aura around the sun. Just watch it and just take in that immense beauty. And that will keep you present. So the third way to be happy all the time, this is a visualization. And you could do this right now. I want you to, again, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now spend a few minutes getting in touch with that inner self, the inner you. That beautiful inner you that is all-knowing, all-loving, all-caring. Getting in touch with that. Now I want you to picture yourself on a beach. Do you hear the sound of the waves? Do you feel the sun on your skin? The smell of the salt air? Sounds of birds in the distance. I want you to feel that under your feet, the sand, is it cool or is it warm? Is it bright outside? Is it beautiful? Are you peaceful? And just keep breathing and picture yourself at the beach. Now when you're ready, open up your eyes. And I bet your world and the room you're in looks just a little bit brighter. So by these 3 exercises, you're going to get in touch with that happy, peaceful, grounded, present moment. Make friends with the present moment. Stay present and you will have happier days. Now again, I'm grateful you watched this video. If you enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. But I'll see you again real soon.